My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, na 3rd of December 2024. For today, day for location when I come monitor kitchen cabinet work. We one of our viewers from the talk show give Oga furniture man make it do 4 years now. Come monitor for today. In front of me, but the furniture man will do the kitchen cabinet work. And be this Oga. Good afternoon.
My brother, good afternoon.
May I talk to you? So, my name is Sabrina. What is your name?
My name is Gode Furniture alias Mr. Wardrobe.
So what are the work we one of our viewers give you now come monitor the kitchen cabinet work. You go to take me the round work whether you finish or you see D on it. Before you take me the round work, Mr. Gode Furniture. What you tell our viewer when you patronize you through this our channel, particularly you want to give this job.
I already appreciate them because they try for us. First of all, I want to thank a doctor show for to put our work in OS. If they try for us, we through that one. We don't get many people will be say that they give us job. Also, like this one now, now my bros because that relationship they already did there. That they try. Now my bro because you know like you know if we give you work. And I made me the holiday appreciate it. I also thank just one we also call me for work. We be say I know if meet up, made them no verse because I know if you the carry work, the joy work. I know coffee deliver. Person will come go get bad name. I dey beg them, made them no verse. That one no me say tomorrow. Made them no call me for. They call me for one. Say I know if you come. Say they no call me for another one again. Maybe the time when they'll take coming for the other one, say a chance to already they did. I bet made the no verse. They do it.
Our viewers follow us on our website link. Our website link there on top of this video. Before you give our client work, you got to call our number there on top of this video. Mr. Gode Furniture, aka Mr. Wardrobe. Take me around the work when we do here. Many of you see the massive kitchen cabinet work.
Well, we want for even start now, sir. Okay, now we just start for you.
Okay.
Let's start for you. Hey. This one now for the one we do up.
Okay, this one will be upper unit.
Inside now, HGF where the door and the frame now clearly board.
Okay. You say the frame and what?
It's frame. This one now clearly board.
Okay, a clearly board.
Inside could be. It could be HGF.
Okay, inside na HGF. Okay. Wow, this upper unit.
Upper unit.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Gently. Okay. Okay.
Let's see, this kitchen is very big.
Very, very big.
A very big kitchen.
Wow. Okay. So come like this, turn like this. Okay. Okay. This drawer. Where the compress? See the drawer. Okay, open this one.
This one be the washing basin.
Okay, this one is washing basin. Okay, which one should be this one?
This one is the Islander.
Okay, yes. Islander. Okay, now this one is the pusher me. Okay, that's why they call it Islander. Okay. The pusher come back small. Wow. Come on. Let's see this one.
Turn on these two.
Okay, these two, they follow.
Yours do these two for.
Okay. My people, Mr. Gode Furniture Man, you take me round way for do work for this house, the kitchen cabinet we do here. Okay, Mr. Gode. All these upper units when you're open for me when I see just now. Now everything for your enter inside here. Like a kitchen material. Now you will enter all these boxes.
I know say me myself I don't get choice on my own. Now what if person say in need? Now I go do for them.
Okay.
Like some people now, they will just say may just be early. Where some will say may they do and may the may just cover everywhere. You know say now the question when you go ask the owner of the house.
Yes.
Now what if the owner of the house tell you now you go do, you know, if you just do your own without they not tell you.
Without they not tell you, say see what they want. Yeah. Okay. Mo enter this mambo. This one now foreign mambo with this.
This one I see one of the expresses mambo.
Okay, that's the one where they carry cellophane with this one.
They carry cellophane. If you look around, you see it with the tiles not the same.
Okay. Okay, to match.
Now so the person say you need them.
Okay, now so the owner say you need them. So my people, Mr. Furniture not through with the work. I don't explain concerning. Okay, you see where concerning the work. So Mr. Furniture, like how many months take you to do this work here?
A week plus.
A week
plus.
Plus 9 take you.
Yes.
You see the feather just on acrylic inside can be AGF. Like how much cost you now when you do this work here?
Yeah, the work na 2.2.
Okay, 2.29 cost the owner. You call your phone number when our view have to reach you.
What you did that before I call my phone number, I want to say speak Yoruba, me I say great people. And when you me a castle, a crawler, mo kí o mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ tẹ́ máa ń fún wa ẹ ṣé gan because mo mọ̀ pé kò easy tẹ́ fi ń gbé wọṣẹ́ fún wa àwọn èèyàn tó ní mi sọ́kàn tí ó bá tẹ́ yẹ pé mi ló ní sọ́kàn anybody tó ní sọ́kàn kó tún lè máa gbéṣẹ́ fún ẹ̀yin ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ ṣé gan. My phone number na 08052753594 wey the second one na 09033657849.
My people, I greet you every time I watch this video.